Have no fear. Hoo-hoo, yeah. Mr. Organic is here, not Meatloaf. Google him. You gotta be up on your shit to know Meatloaf, man. 3 of them. Hey, man. Shout out to everybody in Organic Nation. Don't forget the G Squad. Shout out to my dog Slim. You see where we at right there. And everybody in that gargoyle gang, man. Relax, 3 of them. I'm here for my guns. I ain't gonna lie. I'm so excited to be back home till I get back to my babies. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my precious babies. Oh, I miss them so much. Oh, I miss the Arsenal. Oh, I miss the Arsenal so much. Shout out to everybody in Organic Nation and everybody that counts Rico, girl. Ooh, what else I got? I got my babies back. I got my babies back. I got my babies back. And of course, my favorite of all time, you know, the Dre Ziggity, man. The Dre Ziggity. Shout out to everybody in the Organic Nation and everybody in the Draco gang. But I'm happy to be home. See my view. Spectacular as ever. This is my city, Minneapolis. I'm the king of this motherfucker. It belongs to me. See what's on my hip too. Walk around like that. Just protecting myself. Second Amendment. Do you see what I see? How long we got right here? Oh, this joint empty. I'm out to get this motherfucker in. Oh, they moved out. I gotta go get that thing. Should I get it? I can really get extracurricular on it. But yeah, this is my city right here. If y'all don't watch the channel, y'all probably haven't seen it. I live in penthouse 2, all glass, the longest patio. You see that? Don't never get it. Mr. Scooter, like my dog Slim said. We both live in legendary. You know what I mean? But I was in LA just grinding, take care of business, building a brand. Shout out to my dog Slim. But you know, I'm back home and handling more business. So let me go ahead and bless y'all. Let me go down to the whip. You know, Serena is waiting on us. Make sure you do this though. Hit that thumbs up for me. I definitely need that thumbs up. I appreciate that. Make sure you go to organiclifestyle.com, get the merch. I got the new hats in and all that, white and black. You know what I'm saying? They waiting on y'all to order. Place the order, man. Thank you very much. And make sure you hit that subscribe bell. When you hit that subscribe bell, you gargoyle gang, and that's right there. Hit that subscribe. Heard that? Heard that went on soon. Somebody just hit it. Thank you. Thanks for joining the Gargolian game, man. SRTF hat, all that's on there, man. I gotta clean up. I've been dirty in this motherfucker, but it's all good. Next time you see me, I'll be walking down Serena, man. 3 of them swipe. All right, so now we back in the garage of greatness. I ain't giving y'all no long walk or nothing, man. I'm just so happy to be back here, feeling my baby. Y'all saw her last night. Now you're gonna see her again today. You understand me? Serena, awaken now, monkey man. Gotta get her fixed. Gotta get this fixed. And all that. Also, got that dent on the side. So I'm seeing about getting that fixed today. So yeah. Come on, man. First ride back in the V-net. You know the roof had to come off. Look at this fool. Look at this fool. Stop sign, man. We got to stop on. Yeah, I'm back. Man, look at this goofy. What these motherfuckers be doing? Motherfuckers can't drive, but I'm alive, man. You see what it is, Mr. Organic, back in the vet, feeling extra ferocious. It's a blessing to be home. Come on, champion. Yeah, you see back, back better than ever, man. But I gotta make a few runs. I gotta see about getting this whip fixed, of course. That's first and foremost. I've been neglecting that situation. Definitely gotta do that. What's up, baby? You type, is you thick with it? No. But the neglecting that situation, so I'm gonna get that done. And then I gotta get this merch, new merch mailed off. Gotta do a lot of shit today, man. A lot of shit. Yeah, I'm back, baby. Back better than ever. 3 of them gone, huh? Feel good to be home, man. Feel refreshing. I'm gonna try to poison my eye out there in LA, try to sabotage the guard. Yeah, the king is back, bitch. And the gun is on deck. Second Amendment rights, protect yourself. So motherfucker running them places, Walmarts and all that, you can protect yourself, man. Don't be no victim. Try to tell y'all, don't be no damn victim, man. Shout out to everybody that protecting themselves with the Second Amendment is very important to me. You know what I mean? Protect yourself by any means necessary. Don't become a victim, man. Just don't stand unless somebody just gun you down, man. Stand up and hold yourself down and your people around you. But anyway, man, I'm gonna make these runs 3. I'm out. Swipe. What's up, brother? Talk to him. Just touched back down in the city, man. Yeah. I appreciate it, man. You know, tell them about the Gargoyle gang to gang. Take off on them. You already know it. Hey, that's love, champion.
Appreciate it, bro.
You shout your Instagram.
My Instagram, LendDog2424.
Yeah, add my dog on there, man. Organic love in the city, man. All right, champ. 3 up. For sure. All right, as y'all see, man, also I'm finna go pay this last month of rent in Minnesota. No, I got some tripping. Let's put my 60 days in. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. All right, man. So now I'm about to go pay this rent and put my 60-day notice because, you know, I'm leaving. You know where I'm moving to. So gotta go ahead and sign that up. So 2 more months in Minnesota and it's back to, you know where I'm going, man. If y'all don't know by now, you're late in the brain, man. Been at the Fort Bush, it's a long day, huh? Swipe. Ooh, look at that thing looking like a movie set, huh? Yeah, lights, camera, action, nigga. So now I'm gonna go ahead to pristine detail, you know what I mean? And see what they can do about these nicks and bruises and see about getting a new wrap for the vet too. We ain't playing, man. We're going all in. You can't be ball in unless you be all in. Once again, you can't be balling unless you be all in. Yeah, got that? Now you wonder where my gun was at? Right here. Watch this. It's called valet mode. Just like the Hellcats got valet mode. This dude too, but it locks your shit. And I keep my whoopty whammer in there. And once again, people, I got my Second Amendment rights. I got a license to carry. If you didn't know that, that's why I can have my guns. 3 up. Let me park the Wisnip. But yeah, now we at pristine detail. You seen these boys? Ain't been here in a while. What they got going on in there, man? Big pristine detail. The guard, yeah. You walk up in here, man. Cause some mayhem, man. Yeah. Okay, see that purple type matrix? Have no fear, Mr. Organic. Shit. What's going on, champion? Man, I'm sturdy and early, man. Sure. Keeping it good in the hood, right? But yeah, man, I need to check this whip out, man, to get this shit fixed up. What's up, champion? How you feeling, sir? Keeping it pure? I've been in California, brother. We do that with the hand like that. You know what I'm saying?
How's California?
Man, game over. Big partnership businesses.
Out there?
Oh, it's over with. Hell yeah, it's game over. I'm already basically out there. So yeah, you already know that shit peeling, so this shit got to come off. This shit got to come off anyway. Big neglected. But here's the problem. So this right here.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, motherfucker backed into me right there. Fuck shit. So yeah, got that fish. And then back here too. Look at that shit.
Oh damn, alright, so you need to hold your bumper.
No, they go motherfucking, yeah. So yeah, see that bullshit, man? Yeah, lime green, yep, and then.
We can do the door and maybe the roof.
Yeah.
The same colors in the whole back quarter panel.
Yeah.
And shit, you know
It'd be a different color green, yeah. So it'd be like a trifecta.
So we can do like the doors, so we can do the doors down.
Right.
And that. So I mean, that's something we can probably make.
Yeah, I definitely want to do like some experimental shit.
Let me get hip, let's see what's going on with that body.
Okay, for sure. What's this dude doing? Right, man. But yeah, so that ain't nothing. That's just the wrap peeling. Okay. So we ain't tripping on that. So we definitely need our new wrap. But this right here, a son of a bitch backed into me on a sneak. You know what I'm saying? Did that shit sneakily and ran off tight. Okay. You know what I'm saying? So that right there, and this the fuck shit. This the main shit though. That quarter pedal.
Oh, what happened there?
I backed to goddamn the parking, the pillar in my garage. Oh. I did that myself. So I ain't tripping. Okay. I mean, if somebody else, I'd have been in jail if they ran off on me on that one. You know what I mean? But yeah, so need this shit fixed right here. That's the only thing that's wrong with it.
Okay, yeah, I can fix that.
Of course you can. I know you can. That ain't nothing to do, huh? Yeah, for the low, huh? You know, I'll get you right to your pocket, man. Fuck him. You know what I'm saying? I'll get you together, man.
Yeah.
That ain't too, that's easy, right? Right. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's my dog Hemp. We viral now. You see how we been taking over the whole goddamn internet? You see us with them Lambos and shit in Philly?
Yeah.
That was crazy, right?
Yeah.
That's my man Hemp. You ever find your scooter?
Yeah, I got it back.
Okay, I'm about to say, let me know. You know, I take care. You know, I go track him down for my dog Hemp now. Stealing my motherfucking dog shit. But we'll get that shit together.
Weekend.
Yeah, my dog Hemp out here drifting.
Yeah, I just
What's your Instagram, Hemp?
It's just Reg.
Reg. You see that right there? Get my dog on there, man. Good guy, man. Just great work. And this is drift car, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's a little dirty because I just came back.
Where was you at?
In Brainerd.
Oh, shit.
Brainerd International Raceway.
Oh, you at the real raceway?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
All right, I'm still learning.
Still learning. This your first drift car?
Yeah.
Okay. You went right to it. That shit is crazy. What the hell? And that damn front seat all motherfucker. God damn. Oh, it's on the other side?
Yeah.
What kind of car is it? Skyline?
It's a Nissan Silvia.
Sylvia.
Yeah.
What the hell? Never heard that shit in my life. Sylvia.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a Japanese version of 240.
Okay.
They have this car here, but in the U.S. they only come with flip-up headlights.
Oh, okay. That's dope. They people on the YouTube know more than I know about it, so
Yeah, probably.
they go crazy. Oh, you didn't know what the damn Silver is? But hey, nah, I do. My dog told me about it. Pop the trunk on that thing. Let me see what that thing looking like.
It's a SR20 DET. This is what everybody swaps over to because the 240s here don't come with this. It comes with the K engine or whatever.
Right. So you swapped it out?
No, I bought it like this.
Oh, okay. It was already done.
Yeah.
That's dope. That's what's up, man.
Yeah.
That's some different type of shit, man. Big, fast, and furious.
I crashed the car last year, broke my headlights, so I've just replaced it with the light bar.
Okay, that over there, all the way through. That's crazy. I didn't know what that was. What the hell? And it's all the way through the whole front.
Yeah, it's a light bar. I had to tint it up because it was super bright.
Right.
I tried to drive around at nighttime.
And you was going crazy on you.
Yeah, so I don't know if the
Don't electrocute your goddamn self on my behalf.
It's super ghetto, like rigged up right now.
Yeah, that's how I gotta be sometimes, man.
See if I can get it to turn on.
Don't, man. Let me step back. I might blow this bitch up, huh? Let me get back here. Looking all Jimmy Rigged over here by me, man. Finna turn me to Frankenstein.
That'll work.
It's gonna have some words on that joint. Hemp Motors. That nigga got a whole goddamn light bar on this shit. It's Mount Fun. All right, now don't goddamn. It's gonna go viral, brother. Go ahead. Electrocute your goddamn self. Give it to me. I need that. Give me 10 million views. No. Damn, you guys, how you doing that? Through the battery? Oh shit, here you go. Here you go. Let me step back. Oh, they're okay. There we go. That's smooth.
Water in there.
Yeah, everything. Big ghetto contraptions.
Dropping the car off today?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna drop the car off next week to get those repairs done. We wanna do that for the longest. So now we're gonna pick out different combinations. Y'all don't get to see none of this, man. For you. All right, so shout out to Pristine Detail. The car's getting done. You know what I mean? Finna get that body work done. So about time, been avoiding that for a long time. So that's gonna be fixed. That side whoop, you understand me? Yeah. See what's going on, get that angle on them. You know what I mean? Get that all the way done, man. Yep. So we're gonna get all that shit fixed. Next week, Monday, dropping it off. Big work getting done, man. No more procrastinations, man. Procrastinating leads to assassinating of your goals and dreams, man. And we don't wanna do that, you know what I mean? We definitely wanna do that. So next week, dropping it off Monday, and I'm getting the car repairs and also working on a new wrap. The new wrap I'm about to get is gonna be crazy on this bit. Never been seen before. I came up with my mind. Just know it's gonna remind you of my beard. I'm the God. I'm up out of here, man. Let me step on this motherfucker one time for the one time. Let's keep it on recording. Yeah. Yeah. Before I go, I had to show you the girls is back. Look at them. Look at Deucey looking with Athena. Look at how crunk they are. They're happy for Pops. Her and Athena. Look at that big girl, all in the Corvette. Just living life, man. That shit don't matter nothing. They're my girls right there. Look at them. Look at the big girls. Look at Athena girls thinking Athena Deucey. I'm out there. Here, Mr. Organic is here with my dog, Mirror Smiles. When I was out in LA, I lost one of my things. How can a gargoyle walk around with no fucking gargolian things, right? Especially motherfucking gold and diamond ones. So when my dog Mirror Smiles, make sure you add him on Instagram below. It's my dog. He'll get you all the way together. That's who do my shit, so you know he legit. So now I'm finna double up on y'all. Y'all saw that the first time. When I come back again, y'all wanna see what I do this time, you bitch you. But make sure you hit my dog Mirror Smiles up for those grills, nigga. He'll get you anywhere, anytime, motherfucker. I'm telling you, man. This video over, man. 3 up.